Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Fieldwire for property management. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for FailedWire.com, and then you redirect it to this website. Okay, and then after that, right here, you just have to click on the sign up option at the top right of your screen. And then you have to input your info so that you can create your account. So your first name, last name, your email, and then you have to create a password and click on continue after that. Okay, so after typing out your password, click on continue. Okay, and then you can save your password to your browser if you want to, and then you just have to go open your Gmail account so that it can verify your email address. So I'm just going to verify my email. Just click on verify my email, and then after that, go back to the other tab, and then what is the name of your company? Okay, so you just input the name of your company and what is your phone number. You have to select your country first. Okay, you can also use the search bar to search for your country. Then after that, just type out your active phone number. Okay, and then after that, click on next. Now tell us about your company. So which type of company do you work for? So I'm going to select general contractor or architect engineer. So it's up to you. And then how many people work at your company? And then click on next after that. Now you just have to create your first project. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, that's right. And then right here, you just have to upload your plans if you want to. So we're just going to skip this part for now. So just click on next. Okay, and then create your categories. Okay, so tasks are organized by categories, usually named after the trades or companies present on site. And then you can also invite your team. So FieldWire works best with a team. So invite your team members and choose their access levels based on their rule. And then click on next after that. And then of course you can also download the app. So get your almost 10, just share your number and we'll text you a link to download the app on your mobile phone. Okay, so right here on the plan section, if you want to create a new plan, so just click on the new plan option, and then you can upload your plan right here. So you can drag and drop your plans here. You can also use Dropbox, we have Box, or your OneDrive. Okay, you can also select the more upload options. So you'll be able to see more options and how you can upload your plans to FieldWire. Okay, so after that, just click on the upload files option that you can see at the bottom right of this section. Okay, now let's go to the new folders. If you want to create a folder, just click on it, and then you just have to give your folder a name, and then click on create after that. Okay, that's right. Now when you click on this drop down on your folder, you can either delete this folder or you can create a new plan. So if you want to create a plan under this folder, just click on the plan and then upload your plan. Okay, next, for the specification, you can upload your specification to get started. It's a FieldWire will automatically split it into sections to easily view and annotate your most up-to-date specification. So if you have your files, just click on this new specification option. Next is for the task. So add tasks to organize and prioritize your project. So just click on this new task option right here. And then for the task attributes, you can see here the status, the category of the task, the assignee, the plan, the location, the start date, the end date, the manpower, the cost, the tags, and then the watchers. Okay, so here on the priority section, if this one is the first priority, so you can select priority 1. And then for the category, you can create a new category if you don't have any category yet. And then the assignee. Okay, so you can invite here your team members. Just click on invite users. That's right. Okay, so we have here now this task. Now go to the plan section. So what's your plan? Okay, so if you have plans, so you just have to upload right here. And then for the location of this new task, okay, so you can add a project location right here. So you can either import or select this new tier 1 location. So you just have the closest one after that. Okay, so you just have to enter the location name right here under the new tier 1 location. Okay, so next, if you want to import, so you just have to drag and drop the file right here. Okay, so next we have the start date. So when will this project begin or task begin, and then the end date of this task. So you can select the number right here under the calendar section. Okay, and then for the manpower, how many people are going to work on this task, and then the cost or the budget for this task. So you just have to input that right here. Okay, and then the tags. So what are the tags for this task? It's up to you. Okay, and then you can also enter your message right here if there are reminders that you want to tell your team members, and they can also add here files if you want to. Okay, so we have photo file, we have 360 photo, editing photo or existing file, or even a link URL. Okay, and then for the watchers, so it's yourself. So you can also copy this to clipboard if you want to get the link of this task, and then you can forward it to your team members. Okay, that's right. So you can also send this to email or open in my email, export as PDF, export your code, or export photos. So it's up to you. You've got many choices right here. Okay, so you just have to close this one. So we are done creating our first task. So if you want to create more tasks, just click on the new task option that you can see at the top left of your screen. Okay, so we have the priority. So this one, this task is priority number 1. That's right. And then when you go to the report section, as you can see right here, you'll be able to see all of the tasks that you have. Now, if you want to generate a report, so you just have to input some of the info that you need right here. Okay, so we have the type, and then the task filters, the description, and then what to include, and then sort by. You just have to select the category, the assignee, the status of this task, and you also have here the location, the tags, the time filters, everything that you need. Then after that, you just have to download it. But of course, you have to upgrade your account or your plan so you'll be able to generate the reports for your project. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.